Hi, Rojan. Happy first anniversary to you. Enjoy mo lang ang pagtuturo mo dito sa mga bata sa Taiwan. At magiging happy ka sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. Dito lang kami, ako, susuporta sa iyo. Enjoy ka lang, enjoy. And sana may time ka, punta ka ulit dito sa Miaoli or kami may time pupuntahan ka namin dyan sa Hualing. So, again, happy anniversary. Miss ka na namin, mga Miaoli Angels, dito sa Miaoli. Thank you. Bye.
Happy 1-year anniversary here in Taiwan, Teacher Ron. I hope that 1 year was worthwhile for you. I hope you had happiness and memorable memories to keep. So keep going and have more years teaching here.
Hello Ron, kamusta? Charis, happy first anniversary here in Taiwan. I'm wishing you all the best and jayo, jayo.
Hello Sir Ron, happy anniversary and wish you all the best as you continue your journey here in Taiwan. God bless you always. Take care and chayo.
Hi girls, happy anniversary. Your Generation Z family is very proud of you. My wish for you is may God continue to bless you, to keep you safe and healthy. If you feel sad or lonely, please know that we are always here for you. We are just one call away. So once again, congratulations, happy anniversary there in Taiwan.
Hey, what's up? Hello to Idol Ruhan Zeus, or how to pronounce your name. I would like to say happy first anniversary dyan sa Taiwan as a foreign English teacher.
Hello Sir Ron, good evening. Happy first anniversary here in Taiwan as an FET. Wow, time flies so fast. It feels like it was only yesterday when I asked you lots of questions about what to prepare and how to ace the interview in TPTP. And now, I'm also here in Taiwan. So, thank you so much for all the help, for all the guidance, and most importantly, thank you for the heads up regarding Nana issue. So again, happy first anniversary. I wish you more success, more blessings, and more NT to come. So, God bless you always and always, Sir Ron, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ron. Cheers on your first year anniversary in Taiwan. I'm so happy for you. I wish you success in your career and may God always bless you.
Hello sir, happy 1 year anniversary in Taiwan. Kita tayo soon. Bye!
Hi, shout out kay Sir Rujan Juice, no? Hi sir. Happy first year anniversary dira sa Taiwan. Inaot ko nga. Nahandap ako silang sabon o chocolate dira sir. Salamat amping, God bless from the city of Taiwan, the city of Jorbo. Inaot ko nga magkita tapuhon diri sa Pinas or ako na lang mo anak sa Taiwan ere.
Hi! Happy first anniversary here in Taiwan, Rojan, and good luck sa mga future endeavors mo. Good luck, good luck.
Good luck. May go muna, may go. May 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy anniversary, Sir Ron! Keep safe in Hualien! We love you!